Hello, you wild Colorado dude here, and it's April 16th, and it snowed again last night, and it's still snowing now. I got a slight problem. I lost a tree branch out of my hackberry. And I got a lot of more branches that might break off. I gotta look over this way. I don't see any broke off this way yet. They're drooping. I've never ever lost a branch out of this tree in 55 years. It's 55 years old, 56 years old. I've never lost a branch out of this tree before. Never. And we had that big blizzard a couple weeks ago. Didn't lose a branch. This one is a wet snow, and I'm sick as a dog. I can't even stand up right. I got sick yesterday, so now I'm going out and doing my regular shoveling. You can see the reason we have the problem. The reason we have this problem is because the tree is blooming out. Leaves are coming out. So there's icicles. See, you look here. They're icicles. They're chunks of ice on my tree. So hopefully it'll stop snowing. It's already melting, but it's, I'm supposed to go out and shovel people, and I'm not going to do that today. I'm just shoveling a little bit here, one-handed. I don't got my strength. I came out last night and shoveled a little bit, but I've never lost a tree branch in my tree before. My beautiful hackberry, and it's not a small one, it's a good sized branch. And my neighbor lost a couple of branches over in her front yard. They're little ones right there, and down there she lost a couple more. I'm going to shovel over there and see if I can pick those up, get them out of the people's path. Those things. I gotta get my tripod, so hold on. Okay, I got my tripod. I'm gonna walk down here, set my tripod up, do a little shoveling. You can see most of it's melting. It's all melted over here. I'll put my camera here, and you can see me walking down shoveling. I'm gonna be done for here, guys. This is all I got to shovel. See my tree branch? Right up there. Right there, it broke off, you can see it. I hope my tree isn't diseased or anything like that. But we'll see what happens. Let's let you guys hear for a minute. Okay. You know how hard it is to fail and shovel at the same time, people. Okay, she lost a branch, not a big one. I didn't pick all this up and get off the sidewalk at least. Hold on. I don't know if I can get it off up there or not. It may still be stuck. We'll find out here. Hold on. I'm gonna go get my loppers. Hold on, guys. Okay, I got my loppers. We'll go have some fun. I'm not gonna cut my big branch up. I'll be doing good if I get this one Little one here done. My tree branches are drooping up there. Hope I don't lose any more. I'm surprised I lost that one. But oh well. That's life in the city. Hold on, I'll put you down and I'll get my whacker to start whacking this branch up. Okay guys, best I can do.
What's up guys? I only lost one in my backyard.
Huh?
I only lost one in the backyard.
Oh, I lost my big one there. I'll chop that up tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a pretty good size one.
Yeah, that's surprised. I've never lost a tree out of this branch in 55 years.
Really?
Never.
Not too bad. I lost littler ones.
Oh, I lost little ones, you know. Nothing this big even.
No.
You going up four-wheeling?
Yeah, gone for the week.
Hey, you going up in this weather?
I know, we're not supposed to leave till tomorrow, but everybody got nervous because of the weather. They know we're driving right through it instead of waiting.
Oh yeah, you're good, Rob.
I'm riding with somebody else. I don't have a choice.
You got what?
I'm riding with somebody else. I don't have a choice.
Oh well. You taking the toilet with you?
Yeah, he gets to go.
Is your daughter's leaving you?
Yeah.
You gonna move back in now? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that question. You and your sister look good.
Yeah.
Like you'd be twins almost.
Yeah. All right, well, good luck with that.
Oh, yeah.
Watch the house.
I ate something bad yesterday. I'm not feeling up to 100% here. I got my son out bed. Thanks, guys.
Good luck.
Come on, guys. Yeah, it came down, guys. Oh. Now these people get down the sidewalk. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. That took the wind out of my sails, guys. Oh, I'm done. I don't feel good. I'm going to sit down and I'll post this video. But I'm done. Oh, come on, Sin. Here's my Sinbad. Oh, people. I got the branch off the sidewalk so that people can walk down the street if they need to. Oh. That fell down. Y'all take it easy, like, subscribe to my channel. And a spring storm in the Rockies. Denver to be more precise. Talk to y'all later. Y'all stay warm and stay nice out there. Bye, guys.